What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today I'm just gonna be showing y'all the intake cover. I really wasn't gonna show y'all this, but I think y'all kind of want to see it, so we painted it last night. I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright guys, here we go. So we laid that color on there. Y'all don't get no bright ideas now, but that's the color we laid on it. Let me grab it, put it in the sun for y'all. Ooh man,
It looked good.
it came out nice, guys. It ain't doing no justice on that camera, but y'all see that flake? Man, came out really nice. And then I'm gonna run these lights up under it, and I wanted to leave it silver, and then I started seeing little rust spots, and I was like, what the heck, this ain't aluminum? And apparently it wasn't, but this part is aluminum, so we're gonna put that back on there. We'll leave that like that for now, and then once we get the paint for the car, this will be that color. So this ain't gonna be a long video, guys. I'm gonna slap this on, just show y'all kind of how it looks, and we'll see y'all in a minute. We're gonna just tighten these up, guys, and then I'm gonna put the lights up under it off camera because you gotta trim those, and we'll set her back on there for y'all so y'all can get the visual. All right, now we'll cut the lights. I painted the bottom black so the lights will stick real good. That looks good too. A little bit of the pearl shot right there. So that looks gray, but that's pearl. Alright, got the lights trimmed, cut. So we'll see how it looks. Well, looks pretty good. I should have let it dry a little more. I set it down on that carpet, I could see a little spot, but it'll be alright. I'll shoot another coat of clear on it. Dang. Come up here so I can see what I'm doing. Ah, dang, before I scratch something. That looks clean. Now we're gonna have to do something about this red. Alright, or does it look alright, guys? Y'all drop in the comments and let me know, should we get rid of the red now because of this color, or should we leave it? Trying to be careful so I don't scratch the paint. So we just did it last night. I should have left it in the sun and let it bake. Nice and easy. Y'all need to go crazy. Oh, there it is, guys. What y'all think? Y'all think we need to get rid of the red, or is that gonna be alright?
I think you should get rid of the red.
So y'all don't get no bright ideas just cause y'all see this color. Don't be thinking that's gonna be the color of the car. Y'all gonna have to wait and see, guys. Y'all gonna have to wait and see.
I thought that was gonna be the color of the